So I'm walking around Beaver a little bit. Alright, so I'm not going to show anyone. But, huh?
Yeah, I live in Beaver. He's in Beaver Falls. Is that what Waffle? Yeah.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Wait, you live in Waffle? I thought you lived in...
You were just there last weekend.
No, I thought you lived in Lawrence County.
I mean, yeah. It's Lawrence County. This is Beaver County, and you're in Rockville. That's all right. Beaver
Oh. Yeah. Well, this is actually unique because they have... I guess they have the regular ice cream and then custom blend it.
Yep.
With the mix-ins and...
Right, exactly.
One
of the special things that we do is
awesome.
we take that machine is what makes the magic happen.
I
Right?
watched that yesterday. Yeah.
So, but one of our specialties for sure is gluten and dairy free. Because we have a lot of people who come in, like myself, I can't have dairy, I can't have gluten. My wife has celiac disease, so we decided we were going to open this up and cater to people who had that dietary restriction.
Wow.
I was here like, on the opening day walking past, and I got a bunch of free samples.
Oh yeah,
My daughter was eating them.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was a hot day. Free samples.
That actually works for my sister and my mom.
Oh really?
Yeah. Like, they're not good on dairy.
Yeah, that's exactly why we wanted to get the dairy free in here. This dairy free is really, really good. I like it better than the regular vanilla.
There's a lot of people here now.
Did you say strawberry or raspberry?
Yeah.